Let's talk about Klean Kanteen 16 ounces Insulated Tumbler Shale Black with lid and straw set. Klean Kanteen Double Wall Vacuum Insulated Tumbler. 188 food grade 100 stainless steel inside and out. Keeps contents cold for approx 20 hours, hot for approx 4 hours. Supplied with standard splash proof lid, not leak proof, stainless steel straw with silicone tip, straw cleaning brush, additional travel lid with straw hole. BPA free, highly recyclable. An exceptional choice for daily use. It is easy to drink from and simple to clean. Can be used for cold and hot drinks. Excellent quality.